The factory of the future probably is full of robots, but that's only the tip of the iceberg, the most visible difference. In just 10 years' time, technology is going to have changed everything on the factory floor. Let's start with the trend many of us have already heard of, servitization. Your customers get attractive, predictable costs, and you get commitment and a bigger slice of the customer life cycle. But servitization is going to be automated, helping you to really integrate with your customers' systems and ways of working. Visualize their needs, spot problems and solve them before they've even got out of bed. IT moves you up from supplier to partner. For example, you'll know what products your customers want because analytics, feedback tools and even social media will all be plugged into your sales and marketing. Trends will feed through to your production schedule so you'll know what to make, how many and what customizations will be most profitable. Those customizations will be made possible by flexible product development. Agile prototyping and tools like VR and 3D printing will shorten your innovation cycle. So you can try fast, fail fast, and win fast. In fact, your whole supply chain will be agile. We live in uncertain times, so smart businesses will always have a plan B. They'll have supply networks instead of chains, so they can optimize suppliers in real time, even automatically. And upstairs? Well, the suits of the future aren't going to live in privileged isolation. The finance team are now hands-on managers working with numbers straight off the factory floor, with real data from initial suppliers right through to customers. HR has changed too. With so much automation, there are fewer workers. Labour is flexible, so HR will manage demand for talent and set productivity expectations. Businesses will also take over where school left off, because to stay competitive, training and upskilling really matter, and HR will have the final say over labour decisions largely made by algorithms. The big decisions will be data-driven too. Capital expenditure, like a new factory or R&D, will be backed by a sound business case. In fact, data will solve many of the problems of scaling up. With automation, we can manage more processes predictably from the center so the business can grow smoothly. Knowledge is power and it needs to stay in-house. So a crucial role for IT is knowledge management. With real-time data capture, AI and plain language search, lessons from factory overhauls will be stored for an optimized outcome next time. Every business function is discovering new opportunities from technology, and what unites them all is connectedness. More people using more data to discover new business and new efficiencies. ERP from Epicor. Put your data to work and discover the factory of the future.